Yeah, check it. Yeah, I've done this, done that. You said it, done did it. Been here, been there. It's like smack for your ears. Got my eyes wide open, so it's all clear. Killing beats from the dusk to dawn. The late nights ain't stopping till you hit the floor like cage fights. I put it in your bitch face. Who on the mixtape? I'm on the road like a fat kid on nice skates. Hands on music online, check the MySpace. I'm nice with it. This nigga be the bomb. See, I'm slick with the most of it, like James Bond. Yeah, that's right, people. Hey, yo, Paco, rip this shit. Too many rappers trying to beat you. My flow is hotter than the flash from the click. Too many rappers trying to beat you. My flow is hotter than the flash from the click. To my people in the back now, get up, crunk, get loose, yeah, that's right, Vato. Who on the brakes? What up, DJ Paco? For my peeps and the concrete soldiers, they nothing more than 10 numbers in the folder. You know this, hustle hard in the showbiz. Stay left to right, there's nothing left to fight. The time is now, son, let me bless the mic. And all days, it's like that. You got respect, homie, I take it right back. Lay it down nice for the cats and the hoodies. Got what you want, I'm the man with the goodies. Yeah, check it. Yeah, I've done this, done that. You said it, done did it. Been here, been there. It's like smack for your ears. Got my eyes wide open, so it's all clear. Killing beats from the dusk to dawn. The late nights ain't stopping till you hit the floor like cage fights. I put it in your bitch face. Who on the mixtape? I'm on the road like a fat kid on nice skates. Hands on music online, check the MySpace. I'm nice with it. This nigga be the bomb. See, I'm slick with the most of it, like James Bond. Yeah, that's right, people. And yo, Paco, rip this shit. Too many rappers trying to beat you. My flow is hotter than the flash from the click. Too many rappers trying to beat you. My flow is hotter than the flash from the click. To my people in the back now, get up, crunk, get loose, yeah, that's right, Vato. Who on the brakes? What up, DJ Paco? For my peeps and the concrete soldiers, they nothing more than 10 numbers in the folder. You know this, hustle hard in the showbiz. Sling left to right, there's nothing left to fight. The time is now, son, let me bless the mic. And all days, it's like that. You got respect, homie.